Okay, we're at the Loboc River Resort garden. This is where they grow their own crops and use them for the kitchen, from what I understand. And right now, Eden is going to harvest some eggplants. Oh, cool. And what's your name again?
I'm Fly, and that is Chef Nolly.
Chef Nolly. Chef Eden. And what'd you say? I'm sorry, one more time?
Cly.
Cly?
Cly. C-L-E-I. Cly.
C-L-E-I? Cly. Cly. Okay, got it. Got it. Cly. And the two chefs are harvesting eggplants. What else do you grow?
They just harvested last week also, right?
Really?
Last week.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
And what other kind of vegetables do you grow out here?
We also have the papaya, the beans, tomato. At your back is the papaya.
And right behind me is papaya?
Yes. Water spinach.
Water spinach.
Okra.
Okra?
Okra, ginger.
And ginger, okay.
And
Ah, sweet.
this one is onion. Onion leeks.
Onion leeks?
Yeah, we have a
And all this is to be used in the kitchen?
Yes.
Okay. You don't bring this to market at all. It all goes to the kitchen. Okay. Very cool. So is this considered a full-time job right here? Doing this garden?
No, after this break time.
The break time.
Yeah?
It's only break time, sir.
So maintaining this garden isn't every day, all day. It's just part-time. Okay.
And relax here.
Sure.
Your plans.
Let's have also our stay.
Get away from those guests for a little while. Take a break.
Because staying in the kitchen is sometimes stressful.
Oh yeah, I can imagine. This is a nice getaway, I'm sure. So let's just take a little quick walk around here, and then I'll put the camera down and I'll help. So yeah, who would have known that the resort here in Loboc River Resort has their own garden? Smart idea. Talk about utilizing all your resources, right? And you know, use fresh produce in your kitchen. Why not, right? Good deal. What do you got there?
It's a long beans.
Long beans.
Yeah.
Are those kind of like the ones?
It's a purple long beans.
Those aren't like the ones we buy, are they?
No.
Ah, they're a little bit different. Is there a special name for these beans?
Nga na sir. Beans lang, no?
Just beans.
Purple beans.
Purple beans.
Purple beans.
You know, this one you can just blanch it and then mix with corn and some other greens.
Oh, okay.
And the salad.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Nice.
Soon, this is tomato.
Nice garden.
Small one.
Which ones are that?
This one, the
Tomato.
We circle slowly so I don't make people dizzy. Oh yeah, okay.
Tomato.
Still babies.
Yes, and this is also a ginger.
Ginger?
Ginger, yes.
Ready for harvest when? Soon?
This takes 9 months.
9 months.
Yes.
Whoa. Okay. Well, it'll be worth it. It'll be worth the wait. Okay, well that was fun. Let me see what you got there, hon. Look at all that.
And a green beans.
Right on.
Purple. Purple eggplant.
So what do we got here?
Those.
Another full basket? Excellent.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This is also the water spinach.
And you're going to build a water park out here one of these days? Soon. Okay. Nice. Is that how you do it where you're from, huh?
Yes. We have to put on our head. Okay.
Yeah.
If maybe.
Supposed to wear a long dress.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I
Yep.
will take another video with my long dress.